F-
How are you? I
I'm,
am good. I
I'm
am good. Awas na.
bawal mag-party o mag-celebrate sa school ba?
Pagilan ka mo sa gawa. Ano September 4, mag 5, nagkilan kay Saturday. Mga na, ito lang kuwasan. Okay, Kate.
Mhm.
Hey, Kate, please join now. Ay, nagkaon na ka? Nagkaon na ka?
Tapos kayo nag-debate niya.
Ay, wala ko. Tanaw sa debate. Sayang nga. Wala ko nakataas sa debate.
Ay, iwan si Dave. Ayun, sir. Ayun, sir.
Ang sabi, kisa may nidaog.
Wow.
Wala pa.
May daog ay 50 points sa tanan.
Oh, very good.
Parang may istorya.
Ikaw ni story. Ang sabi ni story na na.
Kay man din ba?
Ay, mo, di ba?
Kay isa na ni Spanish ba?
Ikaw may nagtagalog. Kami, kaon na ka, katong talian niya.
Ita, mabili pa ka?
Dali na.
Ay,
Dali.
mukhaon sa ko.
Balik dali ha. Ali, babe, at isa ra. Ali, sa dili, ato sa ibukan.
Ay, namin kasi kami.
Kate, where are you?
I'm here.
Kate. Okay, so we have here sail. Okay.
Sail.
Okay, this one.
Hockey.
Hockey.
And then
Inside.
inside,
Outside.
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 Okay. So we have here, look at the pictures. The cat is inside the box and the cat is outside the box. Okay, so we have here. Okay, look at this. Who said what? You write the words in the sentences. You write the words in the sentences. Please write here, okay? You choose the words and write in the blank, ha? Okay, here. Okay? Write in the
Okay.
blank. Okay, you tell me if you are done, if you are finished.
Okay.
Go now. Finished? Sorry. You tell me if you're done, Kate, ha?
Teacher. Teacher.
Okay. Okay, so here, what is your answer? This one? Okay, played. Very good, Kate. Next. Watch. Jumped. Oh, shouted. Very good. Shouted. Don't do that, but it was funny. I laughed. Here. Okay, but this one, played. Very good. Watch. Kate. Jumped. Laughed. And rained. Okay. Yay. Rained, huh? It rained a lot too. Okay, so this one, we have here the listening. We have Mrs. Sheep talking to Alice about her family and their hobbies. Which is each person's favorite hobby? Okay, listen.
16b. Let's do some sport. Listen and look. There is one example. Mrs. Ship is talking to Alice about her family and their hobbies. Which is the person's favourite hobby?
Hi, Mrs. Ship. Hello, Alice. Where did you go today? I went to see my mother. She loves cooking. She made me a chocolate pancake. Oh, my favourite!
Can you see the letter C? Now you listen and write a letter in the box.
What does your daughter like doing, Mrs. Ship? She's one of my classmates, but I don't know her very well. Oh, she loves going to the lake. She's learning to sail there. Can you do that? No, but I'd like to. I've got a son too. Have you? Yes, he's 4 years older than you. He loves his new ice skates, but his favourite hobby is walking in the mountains. Cool. I'd like to do that one day too. My sister likes being outside too. She often goes to the lake. She's really good at fishing. That's her favourite hobby. Has she got a boat then? No, she sits on a chair on the grass there. She sometimes takes a picnic too. Brilliant! What about your uncle? Oh, well, he loves music. He goes to dance classes sometimes. Is that his favourite hobby then? Dancing? He enjoys it, but he likes playing badminton more. I've got a cousin too. I like going to see him. What does he enjoy doing most of all? He loves swimming, but not in the pool, in the river. Do you like doing that? No, the water's too cold.
Okay.
Gracias, saya
16b. Let's do some sport. Listen and look. There is one example. Mrs. Ship is talking to Alice about her family and their hobbies. Which is the person's favourite hobby?
Hi, Mrs. Ship. Hello, Alice. Where did you go today? I went to see my mother. She loves cooking. She made me a chocolate pancake.
Oh, my favorite.
Can you see the letter C? Now you listen and write a letter in the box.
What does your daughter like doing, Mrs. Ship? She's one of my classmates, but I don't know her very well.
Oh, she loves going to the lake. She's learning to sail there. Can you do that?
No, but I'd like to.
I've got a son too.
Have you?
Yes, he's 4 years older than you. He loves his new ice skates, but his favourite hobby is walking in the mountains.
Cool. I'd like to do that one day too.
My sister likes being outside too. She often goes to the lake. She's really good at fishing. That's her favourite hobby.
Has she got a boat then?
No, she sits on a chair on the grass there. She sometimes takes a picnic too.
Brilliant. What about your uncle?
Oh, well, he loves music. He goes to dance classes sometimes.
Is that his favourite hobby then? Dancing?
He enjoys it, but he likes playing badminton more. I've got a cousin too. I like going to see him.
What does he enjoy doing most of all?
He loves swimming, but not in the pool, in the river. Do you like doing that?
No, the water's too cold.
Okay, please answer now. Her daughter and her cousin. Go, Kate.
Okay.
Okay, so we have here son. Very good. T, H, E, D, and B. Okay, yay. This one is letter D. The daughter is in the lake. Okay, her cousin is in the river. The river. Okay, this is Alice. Alice is talking to something. Okay, so what do you think, Kate, about the hobbies below? Are these hobbies exciting or no? It is cool. It is dangerous. Okay, number one, example. I love lang.
I
Okay.
love dancing.
Okay,
I
I
love
love,
dance.
again. I love
dance.
I love to dance, but it's not dancing here. I love what? Up here. This is hiking, swimming, cooking,
I love
selling.
cooking.
Oh, I love cooking. Okay. Why do you think? What is? Oh, it's cool. Okay. What do you think is that? What hobby? It is that you find it cool. Your hobby. It is.
Yes. It is cool.
What is it? What is it? It is the. What is cool? The what hobby here? It was. Oh, for you, cooking is exciting. What else? What hobby? That you find it cool? What? And I think blank is dangerous and scary too.
I think
I think what?
no, it's dangerous.
Okay, what do you think is dangerous in here? What do you think? What hobby or what sports do you think is dangerous here? What?
Is
It is?
the uh go to
Hiking,
go
this
the
one?
yes.
Oh, hiking. You think that hiking is dangerous. Okay, that's good. Okay, Alice is telling Mrs. Sheep about sport which she played. Okay, what game did you play? Okay, you please try to put a line. A line. Yes, ah. Kay ko ang blush on.
Okay. Okay, teacher.
Okay, you cannot hear teacher Ann. Okay, was it fun? Yes, it was great. Okay, what sport do you like, Kate? I will ask you, except from dancing. Okay, dance sport. I know you're very good in dance sport. So, what game did you play? Okay, for you, I will ask you, what game did you play, Kate? You play
Yeah, I play the Roblox.
Roblox. Oh, online games. And when did you play Roblox? When?
But
In the
play on on Saturday in on
Saturday.
Saturday.
Oh, every Saturday you play Roblox. Was it fun playing Roblox? Huh? Was it fun?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. It's
Mm,
really fun to play Roblox.
yes.
Okay, very good, Kate. Now, Kate, you have to choose here. Only underline ha or encircle. Please underline or encircle the correct answer, this one. Okay, please
Okay.
underline or encircle the answer. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay, wait, I will just go to the canteen. I need to drink water. Okay, you answer while teacher is away. Okay?
Okay.
Pwedeng katubon ko na siya. Okay, first. Okay. Can you please read number 1? People
People
all round. It's around. It's supposed to be around.
play football, but the first people who play
Okay, very good. Okay. Lived in England.
play football live in
England. Did you know?
Did you know that in many games, football playing running about
Run about players, plural. So you have to use run. Okay. 8 kilometers. Okay. The game is called
a game is called football in my
America
country,
and Canada.
but in America and Canada, some people call it soccer.
Oh, very good. Another?
An honor name for football is the beautiful game. One
Okay,
of
it's
the
the beautiful game. A.
beautiful game. One of the most
Famous. Yeah.
famous football player. It called Lionel Messi.
Okay.
He's a fantastic player. He could kick a ball really well.
When he was only
Only
5.
5. You can read about him on the internet.
Yeah, very good. Oh, wait. Do not erase. I will send it to your mom, okay? 10.
Okay.
Where is it? Wait me. 10, correct, and correct. Very good, Kate. Yay! Wait.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very
Okay, you have. I will ask, and please answer the question. Okay, here. Do you play football?
no.
No. How about your brother? Manik, how about your brother? Huh? How about your brother? How about your brother?
Yes.
Okay, so do you like watching football? Why and why not? Do you like watching football? Do you like to watch? If you will not play, do you watch?
No.
Oh, how about if you will gonna play, you will not watch your brother? Huh? You will not watch your brother? If Keo, your brother will play, you will not watch him?
Yes.
Oh, you watch. Do you watch games on TV? Do you watch game on TV?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. What's another name for football? What do you think is another name for football? What is another name for football? It is? Other name is what? Other name. Football is soccer. Oh, another name of football is soccer. Who is your favorite football player? Who is that? Do you know your favorite football player? It is Lionel
Is
Messi.
Messi.
Lionel Messi is very famous.
No.
Oh, yeah, very
No.
famous.
Ronaldo.
You don't like Lionel Messi? Okay,
No.
now, which tennis
Yes.
player do you like? Which tennis player do you like? Do you know tennis player? Teacher Ann doesn't know too. Okay, why do
No.
you think, Kate, some people call football the beautiful game? Why do you think football become the beautiful game? Why? Because
Because because is because
it is what?
is that one
It is?
science.
Why? Why do you think it's beautiful game? Do you think football is a beautiful game? Do you think football is a beautiful game?
Because
Hmm?
because
Yes or
it's
no?
starting
Because it's starting. Because because you find it
because
nice, you enjoy, and then you love to kick. Okay, your brother is playing football, right? He told me, teacher, I am playing football. Okay, and you love it. Okay, so now, the first letter of the first word is the first letter of the sport. Example, ha? Basketball. Okay, number one, football. Okay, please write here, 2, 3, 4, 5.
hmm? Hmm? Tennis ball
Right here, Kate. Right here, ha? Right.
is no, no, no.
Parang
Badminton,
kaya, buto-buto nun.
badminton.
Buto-buto naman, Ken.
Mm, nothing takes all teacher.
Okay, bad, man. Bad. Okay. Oh.
Teacher, teacher.
Go, Kate. You can do it.
I can. Oh. Teacher.
Hard? Hard? Okay, number 2 is, okay, table tennis. Okay, 3. It's badminton. Very good. This one. Ice skating. Skate. And last one, horse riding. Oh, you find it hard? Hard, Kate? Hard? Very hard? Okay, that's it. Okay. How many words can you make from Sports Center? Can you make words from Sports Center from this word? How many can you make? Example. Here, I can make, can I make red? Oh, there's no D. Oh, can I make can? No, it's hard. 10? 10. I can make 10. Number 10. T-E-N. 10. Another one. Can you make?
Can I make?
Prop. Prop. Okay, this one.
Can you make?
Okay, another. Okay, you tell me what you can make.
I can make.
Oh, from this one. Okay, so hard, Kate? Okay, so it's okay, Kate. Okay, Kate, I will see you tomorrow, okay? See you tomorrow, Kate. Okay, don't forget, we have class at 11:20 tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye. Kate, bye-bye, Kate. Oh, you will go to school today? What time you will go to school?
Yeah.
What time you will go to school?
It's
Afternoon?
1:30.
1:30. Okay, you take a rest so you can go to school. Did you eat your lunch? Your lunch? Not yet. You eat your lunch?
Yes.
What did you eat?
And eat the chicken.
Chicken. You love chicken? You love
Yeah.
chicken? Yes. Okay. Bye-bye, Kate. See you
Yeah.
tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Okay.